gin sour. It's going to be awesome. And stay tuned to watch us make the cucumber gin sour because it's going to be awesome.
Ian makes a good head.
Jim approves.
Yeah. I see the redundancy.
Cucumber Jim sour.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Danny and Derek. We're going to make for you the cucumber gin sour.
Cucumber gin
This
sour.
is a submission from, I think you sent me this.
Yes.
To Christy with a twist on Instagram.
Christy with a twist.
So you go to find your cocktail recipes on Instagram.
They just come up. And so, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for a middler.
Oh, a muddler.
Oh, that's a good idea. There's a few here. Oh, that's not.
That's not a muddler.
There's a knife. There's dude.
Oh, right here.
But where are all my muddlers?
I don't know. You have a ton of them.
I have like 6 of them in there. So here's the recipe. I'm getting a breakdown before I get confused. It's cucumber, ½ ounce of simple syrup, 1 ounce of lime juice, ½ ounce of elderflower liqueur, 2 ounces of gin. We're going to use Hendrick's because I think that's what the recipe showed.
Yeah.
And an egg white.
Did they use the skin of the
Egg
cucumber?
white. You use egg white, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they did
Yeah.
all the things.
Okay.
Yeah, they just went through and created like a whole fuckload of those. And then
That's a lot of work, though.
it doesn't really look like he's working that hard at it.
Yeah.
Here, use one of these?
Yeah. A peeler?
You should ever use one of these.
Oh, fuck you.
Yeah, one of those.
Let me bring this down a little bit. So this, you got the recipe. The amount of cucumbers aren't called for.
No.
Oh, you're wondering
But-
how you're going to
but
muddle
you're-
it in a coupe glass, right?
I am wondering how I'm going to pour simple syrup in this thing.
What do you mean?
Without simple syrup.
Oh.
Oh.
So what you're asking for? Some
Well, you
simple
don't need
syrup.
simple syrup yet. It's getting there.
You don't need
All
it
right.
yet.
Oh, there it is.
Um,
It's been here the whole time.
I think the one, now that I think about it, this might be the one that it was muddled and they used like a highball glass and they put it into there and muddled it in a highball glass. But you can muddle it.
Yeah, you're just gonna muddle it.
It's really because Instagram, they wanted to make it look cool and fancy.
Yeah.
So they,
I just love cucumber.
I
love
can tell
gin.
because you submitted 2 cucumber recipes.
I know. I was like,
Like, why I got mine?
It's such a springy kind of thing.
yeah.
spring.
It's like refreshing.
It's refreshing. It's still summer.
Summer.
It's still
It's summer.
summer.
Yeah, summer.
Summer.
Kind of thing.
It's fine.
It's still summer.
So basically, you're going to muddle everything. You're going to muddle the cucumber, add your simple syrup and lime juice. That right there is typically what you do when you muddle anything. You usually either add the syrup and the ingredient you're going to muddle kind of infuses the sugars into the product. Sometimes they call for the lime to be infused into it as well. Either way, it'll work the same. Muddle it up, put all the rest of the ingredients, shake it, strain it. Oh, you're going to need double strain that?
Yeah, I can double strain this.
Yeah.
You could get yourself a secondary strainer. We sell them at offstreaks.com in case you're looking for that with your bartender starter kit. Next, I guess we just wait for you to finish. I'm thirsty.
I know.
So
I'm
muddling.
so thirsty.
Muddling
shit. Did you check the
I
site?
didn't check that there was 2 ounces in there, but I checked that it looked.
You checked to make sure it was gin.
I was like, there's liquid in it.
We need 2 ounces.
Yes.
Well, let's just prepare for the worst here. Oh,
See?
shit.
I told you there was 2 ounces in there.
Oh, you know what this does though?
No, then we just.
Well, you want to drink it all before we've used it. Now, what if I spill this?
All right, I'll wait.
Okay, ready?
Don't spill
ready?
it.
All right.
I mean, we could just add the rest in there.
Yeah. How much? There's not. Yeah, whatever. Drink it. How much is in there? Like a drip of an. Oh, there's actually not that.
Oh, it's
Like an extra ½ ounce or so.
this is a good amount.
Yeah. Shots. This is an old bottle of Hendrick's. If you guys, most people probably have had Hendrick's before. Here's the stats that matter about Hendrick's. It's cucumber infused, so it has a little bit of a hint of cucumber, making this drink slightly redundant. So I don't think I wouldn't go out and buy Hendrick's to make this. But if you have a cucumber infused gin and you're making a cucumber based
Yeah,
gin
Hendrix
recipe,
is like the.
but this is
go-to
like
de facto.
$35,
It is, yeah.
right? Like you can get so many other.
It might be
gins.
more than $35.
Like, I probably wouldn't see my new ball.
I saw that.
Isn't that fancy?
Nice.
Oh, aviation Deadpool. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense.
Like
Round, right?
Yeah.
an Irish gin would be pretty good, like a gunpowder gin or Death's Door, I guess. Monkey 47. I don't think I have a single London Dry. Everything's from another freaking country. That's German. But realistically, you can use any of your straight London Dry gins. You'll be fine.
Did you do your Deadpool movie?
Yes.
Of course you
Did you
did.
like it?
That's good. It's pretty funny.
Yeah, I heard it was pretty funny.
Very meta.
Yeah.
There's some.
So we killed
Tyler just saw it yesterday.
So You already dry shake it too?
Yeah.
Damn, see? He's pretty fast. You already put everything in there? I didn't see you do that.
Did I?
We're going to have to watch replay. Did you put in
This is the first video in a while, so this is.
Did you put in the...
We haven't done one of these in 4 months.
It's been 4 months.
4 months?
First
No.
Yeah.
Really?
No.
Actually, it was
I've
probably
still
more
been
than 4
drinking.
months
Do you want a strainer?
because we did it in April.
Holy shit. Maybe it has been a while.
I'm like, something doesn't look right, but I'm going to do it anyway.
They're going to be like, they started drinking early.
Every time. Oh, that's the
Oh,
first
it's like
time.
coconut creamy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, now you need like a long one. You should have put the cucumber on the inside.
Oh, you want me to do that?
Well, it's too late now, but that looks
Bullshit.
good.
It's not too
That
bad.
looks really good.
No, then you're just going to shove your fingers all around it. I know what you're going to do.
Yeah.
That's a good shake.
Ooh, that looks good.
So, if you wanted a dry shake, if you witness what happened, basically don't put your ice in. Shake it aggressively for probably 30 seconds, like your life depended on it. Then you put your ice in, then you shake it, and then you end up with something that looks like this. As you can
I'll do
see,
something with the cucumber.
it's already
I'll take
starting to
that.
orange up at the bottom or whatever color that is.
Cucumber up?
You guys
Cucumber
should
up.
have,
Yeah, get me
Hey,
something
don't
with
scratch my
cucumber.
shit!
you guys should have made 2 of those. That's
Ah.
gonna be that's gonna be hard for Dan to turn over.
You should have made 2 of those.
One for him and one for everybody
I
else.
didn't know. Are there more than just 3 of us up here?
Do you know a fun fact about Dan?
What?
That how I got him to start drinking gin was Hendrix.
Oh, yes.
Hendrix? Oh, this is-
Oh, look at you.
Oh god. Oh, we need a photo. I forgot about
Oh,
that.
you are so fancy.
Does that look good?
I don't know.
It's
Yeah,
us.
that's probably pretty good.
That's not bad.
Good shake.
Hold on. Let me
I
just
don't
in
even think I
case.
saw you crack the egg.
I want to see this. I want to get a nice
Stealth.
photo of this. We got it. Just in case I want to use that instead because it's got the
Oh, no, looks
foam and the
good.
color. Yeah, bitters would have made it look good.
Right?
Dude, the garnish is like, it's like chef's kiss
Mm.
because like you smell the cucumber
Mm.
before you even go
Good.
into it. Almost has like, I guess it's probably just the way cucumber is, but it has like almost like a celery taste to it.
Well,
But
that's a cucumber.
yeah, it's just got like that greeny,
Fresh.
yeah.
Pim's got fish.
Yeah.
It's funny that Saint Germain doesn't like
And there's a half ounce
come
of it.
right out.
That's
Yeah,
a
it doesn't
powerful-
like come out
Oh,
and,
yeah, that's true.
and hit you.
That's in there.
Right? That's what I...
Okay.
I know because the bottle popped when I opened it.
Because it's been open once every 4 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, maybe the thing is, it's
That's good.
the egg white keeps it
Mm.
dry, so you're not
Yeah.
getting you
Yeah.
don't tend to get a lot of sweetness when you
Mm.
have the egg white on there, and that's a sweet product. It does have floral flavor to it, so maybe that's
Yeah.
just kind of coming through like flowery.
It's just got earthy
Cucumber.
savoriness.
It's really...
From
It
the
is.
cucumber.
Yeah.
That's good. Where'd that come from? Somebody said
That
I just found that on Instagram.
Oh, good job.
Yeah. See, this is the funny part is we make
That you're going to drink in about 3 seconds.
Right.
Like, you're going to be like...
Yeah.
Yeah.
you want to
you're
make like
shit.
6 of these at a
Yeah.
time. The funny thing is,
Can't bulk it though because of the egg.
Yeah.
the thing is, like, we make videos on YouTube and we make for all these people to watch. And this guy's out on Instagram finding cocktail recipes. Like,
Well, it's just because it's
you're-
in my feed.
you are obviously not my target audience. It's in your feed because you're in the wrong feed. You're supposed to be on YouTube. If you're on YouTube and you're scrolling, maybe you probably see cocktails there. But you'd have to start watching videos. You don't
Yeah.
want you don't have the patience for that, right? You just scroll by and go, oh,
I
great
just
pictures.
scroll, I see like
Do you
a
even see
cat
what's-
jump on somebody, and then you see like other things, and then I'm like, oh, cocktail. Then I'm like, oh, food. And I'm like, oh, sweet, I'm all done. I'm going to go to bed.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, like 15 minutes later, I'm like,
The level of that's it. The level of sophistication is just you can't
It's-
match that. It's
I mean-
literally just that. I like it. I mean, if that's the way you do it, I typically watch a little longer form stuff, but I could totally see you scrolling by, seeing the picture, and going, "Ooh, oh, it's got gin, blah blah blah." I'll have to remember that.
yeah, I mean, gin, cucumber. I always look for stuff that like only Derek has at his bar.
Yeah, so you can't make
Because
it.
I can't make it at home. So I'm like, oh,
That's
okay,
it.
we're going to make this.
Where am I going to get a $30 or $40 bottle of elderflower just for one drink to test it to see if it's going to work?
Or like chartreuse. Like,
Yeah,
like who has
chartreuse.
chartreuse? Like,
Me.
you do.
Too many bottles.
You couldn't even
Yeah.
get it at some point. It was like
Yeah.
back ordered at New Hampshire liquor stores. I
Yeah.
was trying to find it for the longest time.
Oh, I
At one
didn't know.
point, it was like backlog for like 6
So if I
months.
find something with chartreuse that looks interesting, I'm like,
You wait. Yeah.
I'm like, awesome. I'm
Bookmark
like,
that for next time I
I'm
see some
I'm gonna
chartreuse.
bookmark that. We're gonna go over to Derek's and make it.
Fair enough. Oh, our executive producer is Michael Schwabi or Schwab or Schwab or
Smells
Schwab.
good too.
Schwab.
Mm,
Um,
No, that's good.
that's good.
The foam is really good on that.
so I would give that a definite.
If you like cucumber,
Yeah,
you have to drink it.
it's got. Well,
Oh, it is
we'll see
Crim's
if
Cup
the,
like.
the ladies
Yeah, right.
like it.
Oh, I'll like it. I know I will.
Oh, I like it.
Because we told her she would.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right.
That's
Just
what
we
summer
made-
J drink.
Because we made it look. Yeah, that's a summer J drink.
It's got. The problem is, my first recommendation is double the recipe at
Because you're going to
least.
make a couple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even go.
That made a
more.
big coupe though.
That
That
was
was
a big coup.
I wouldn't even double the egg white just to be a pain in the ass to have to do egg white. I think you could get away with like basically a half ounce of egg white in each
Yeah.
drink and be fine.
Yeah.
And
You
then,
could double it up with like a extra large jumbo egg and be fine.
Which is
You
what
get
that was, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that
Yeah,
was
these
a
are
jumbo egg.
Yeah, these are jumbos.
I bought extra large jumbo organic.
Look at that.
the everything's
Pete Gary's?
Yeah, I think it was. I don't know. I don't know why you know that.
Wow, you know your eggs.
Smellies or
That's what I get.
He's like,
oh, this
Pete and Gary's?
That's a classic Pete and Gary. But it's definitely a worthwhile cocktail. If you don't have elderflower liqueur, the only suggestion I have
You gotta buy it.
is you buy it and like suck it up and then find other drinks that
There's a
have it.
lot of drinks for elderflower, and you can
Yeah.
just drink it like as a spritz.
Aperitif.
Yeah,
Or put it in some champagne.
yeah,
That's true. If you're a champagne drinker, you dab a little of that in there and it makes everything flavorful. It's a good product. It's just like, it's not like, something wrong.
Irish made.
Oh, yeah. We should do that.
Top 10 drink, Irish made.
It's been a while.
All the top
Yes.
10 drinks are made with elderflower, so you should get yourself
Yes.
some elderflower liqueur. And don't get the
Saint
non-Saint
Elders.
Germain. Don't get Saint Elders.
No,
I don't
you
know
have to get
why.
Saint Germain. It's
This is the
It's
only
different.
one.
Yeah, it's
and
different.
I'm saying this from someone who has made both, and like the ladies don't like the other one. Like they immediately complain. They're like, it doesn't taste right. I don't
Saint
know
Germain
why.
is actually like you have to.
Yeah.
St.
Yeah.
Elder tastes more. You can't
Chemically?
use as much. It's
Oh, too sweet.
no, it's like more boozy.
Oh.
It's not as it doesn't have as like delicate a flavor as
Probably why it's
Saint
cheaper.
does.
I'm guessing because that's the only reason you buy non.
Yeah, Saint Germain's good.
Yeah.
There you go. All right, that's it. Don't forget to go to awesomedrace.com. There's a bartender starter kit that should be floating here. I think I'm getting rid of my sidecar and just float videos, and I'll put them right over Ian's head for YouTube and stuff like that. But that's it. We're teaching you how to drink.